Hi family, my name is Azara, work from home specialist. All the jobs that I speak about on this channel either offer you time freedom, location freedom, or you have the ability to work from home. God said faith without works is dead, so if you have the faith, I'll help you find the work. Okay, family, I have 3 pandemic work from home jobs hiring right now, fresh off the press. Apply fast because these jobs go quick. And I have a word of encouragement to offer you. So if that sounds good to you, please stay tuned and please be sure to subscribe so that we can partner together to help you find work from home jobs. Okay, family, today's word of encouragement comes from 1 Corinthians 2:9. It says, eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, neither has it entered into the heart of man the things that God has prepared for those that love him and are called according to his purpose. You love God, you're going to be okay. Okay, family. 3 jobs hiring right now. These jobs are specifically related to the pandemic that's going on right now. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, lots of people have lost their jobs. And as a result of that unfortunate set of circumstances, the unemployment offices are hiring all across the United States, okay? So the first company I'm going to tell you about, the company is called Aerotek. They are hiring 8,000 unemployment customer service representative, 1,000 guys. So this is a good opportunity for you to come in there and apply, okay? You're going to need to have availability from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Sunday, okay? Their training is going to start in mid to late May, so you're going to need to be available for training for about 2 to 3 days from 8:30 to 5:30 for this particular position. The job duties for this job, you're going to assist customers with processing various state unemployment claims, as well as speaking to individuals regarding any questions that they may have, okay? And there's no state restrictions for this job. Unemployment offices all across the United States are hiring right now, okay? The only qualifications that you need to have for this job is a high school diploma or GED. You need to have a computer with a hardwired internet connection, and you need to have a separate enclosed space to work in, okay? And that's all. So if you are available for that training for 2 to 3 days in mid to late May, and you're available from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., you can get a job right now with the state unemployment office through Aerotek. All right, the second job that I'm going to be telling you about today is Direct Interactions. Direct Interactions are hiring work from home representatives. This is specifically related to the pandemic. The job that they are hiring for right now are stimulus reps. Basically, you're going to be helping people who are calling to find out about their stimulus checks. So right now, because of the pandemic all over the United States, people were sent stimulus checks to help them at this time during the crisis. But unfortunately, about half of Americans have not received their stimulus checks. So they are calling. They want to know where their money is because they need it right now because they are in trouble. Okay, so right now they're hiring people to help answer those questions and to help facilitate the process. The official duties are you're going to be handling incoming calls from people contacting the federal government stimulus check to check the status of their payment. So you're going to be helping people that are contacting the federal government to check the status of their stimulus payments, okay? They said that you have to be prepared to be on the phone all day. You will pretty much be getting calls your entire shift back to back to back to back, okay? They want you to have excellent verbal communication skills, the ability to remain calm under pressure. Remember, these people are hurting and they're wanting their benefits. And so they want you to be able to remain calm. You also have to have the ability to show empathy to these people that are calling because they are in need and they are in trouble. So you're going to kind of walk them through that process. Super easy, okay? The pay rate for this job is between $11.50 and $12.50 an hour. Unless your state minimum wage is higher than that, then you will get paid the higher rates, okay? They have shifts available for this job about 7 days a week, and you can work up to 40 hours a week. But they also do note that they don't require you to work 40 hours because they said that this can be a high stress job just because of the sheer volumes of calls. So they would like you to have availability anywhere between 30 and 40, but you don't necessarily have to work a full 40 every week, okay? The technical requirements for this job is they want you to have high-speed internet and a computer running Microsoft Windows. All right, they want you to have a USB headset and a Google Chrome browser. And at this time, they are not accepting, or you can't have a Mac computer because their programs are not compatible with Mac computers. The last job I'm going to tell you about, excuse me, just lost my voice there. All right. The last job I'm going to tell you about is from CAM, Information Communication Technology. They're hiring work from home representatives to be contact tracers, okay? So what happens with this position is your job is going to be helping call the contact of newly diagnosed patients. You're going to communicate with them in a professional manner. I'm messing this all up. Excuse me. I'm trying to read. I'm just going to tell you what the position is. Basically, what you're going to be doing is people that have been newly diagnosed with this disease. You're going to be calling them. You're going to be walking them through the a quarantine process, and then you're going to be asking them questions to find out who they've been in contact with, where they've been. And you're going to be the contact tracer. So you're going to reach out to those individuals who have been in contact with someone who was newly diagnosed with this disease, and you're going to walk them through the self-quarantine process, answer any questions. So you are going to trace the contact of those who have been diagnosed with the disease that's happening right now as a result of the pandemic, okay? For this job, you're going to need to have a college degree or equivalent. And if you can speak multiple languages, that is a plus, which makes me think that this may be a global position because they said that if you can speak Spanish, Portuguese, French, Haitian, Mandarin, I can't even say the last language. If you can speak any other languages, it's a plus. It's not a requirement, but it is a plus. So this may be a global work from home opportunity because, as you know, this is a global pandemic. So they're trying to contain it and flatten the curve. So if this sounds like a good position to you, please be sure to apply. Now, this contact tracer position, you will need to have your own telephone, computer, and electronic equipment, and a computer with Windows 10. That's all the jobs that I have for you today, family. Remember, my best life and work advice is to acknowledge God in all you do, and He will help you. If God says yes, no one on earth can say no. Now you go get that job. Bye, family.